Jody dancing.
We always do better when I start dancing.
It's true.
Well, you know, I put a video up today.
Oh no, you didn't!
It's on the
God,
it's on the
I hate
Facebook
that every
page.
year.
Every year I got to put the dance off. So
And I hate it every year.
His dancing skills have improved. Hey, check this out, Ron Cundy, the co-founder.
Hey, how you doing?
Never get him here.
Jeez.
But check out the dance off from 3 years ago. Tonight is the REC TEC Christmas party, so hopefully Jody can improve and have another dance off with Ben tonight.
Was it last year's that you showed or the year before?
No, it's the one with the tacky sweaters.
Okay, good. That was a good year. Last year was kind of, y'all caught us before we had too many, before we didn't have enough drinks.
Yeah, 3 years ago. So check that video out. It's awesome.
They're looking for Ray to do the dance off.
Yeah. Right now, I can pop and lock.
That's good. Let me see it again.
Hey.
Wow. Mechanical puppy. All right, everybody. I think we got enough people to go. Today is December 8th, 2017. We are at the REC TEC World Headquarters in Augusta, Georgia. Our special guest, the co-founders, Mr. Ron Cundy.
Ron Cundy.
Have you ever been here?
I've never been here.
And then you guys know Ray, of course.
What's happening?
We got his fat
Merry
head
Christmas.
around here somewhere. Not that fat head, but we got another fat head.
The real fat head today.
Today is Funday Friday, our weekly live cooking demonstration. Unfortunately for us, we've already cooked everything. We're going to have it laid out just a little bit. I'll walk you through how we cooked absolutely everything. I did a casserole on the bullseye this time. But there, of course, we want to send shouts out and prayers to our friends in California. We know you guys are dealing with those fires, and we're thinking about you. Just as soon as y'all get through with that and get your lives back together, hit us up. We'll send you grills. Second of all, there's freaking snow in Texas. There's snow in Texas, South Texas.
I saw that. Carlo Casanova he made a post where there was snow in his truck.
Yeah,
I saw that.
so that's awesome.
We had snow in Atlanta when I left this morning.
Really? That's awesome. Awesome. Hopefully we'll get a little bit, but after the Christmas party, after everybody's home and safe. So we got a few shout outs. This morning, Mr. Chuck Davis, Alan Yacirdo, hopefully I said that right, Alan, and Daryl Bowman all came from Williamsburg, Kentucky. They left at 3 a.m. last night, got here at 9 a.m., and they all left with 3 girls. I think that's super cool. Thank you guys so much for traveling that far. We're going to have their picture up on Facebook later just to show them off.
We got some folks from Anderson, South Carolina in the showroom picking up some REC TECs right now. That's about, what, hour and a half, guys? Yeah. Yep. Hour and a half away.
Clemson fans, they're in the playoff.
What? Oh, I didn't
They're in the
know.
playoffs, so shout out to Clemson.
I'll take that shout out back.
Dogs getting in the playoffs. But shout out to Diamond Dave.
But they're buying red and black grills.
Good Clemson, Georgia national championship game. Perfect.
Take it.
If they get past Alabama. So, Diamond Dave. Shout out to Diamond Dave. He's our boy. He sent us some Christmas beers. Thank you so much, Dave. They are 7.5%.
He made this.
Diamond Dave. Shout out to Diamond Dave. You got Ray
Little
bought a
REC
bracelet
TEC
for him.
logo. He made Ron some cufflinks.
They're awesome. I don't have mine today. But they
Also,
would
shout out
look right.
to George and Julia Reynolds for sending us. They smoked some peppers on the inside of their grill and sent them to us. This is a mixture of habanero, jalapeno, serrano, Santa Fe, and sandia peppers. This stuff will light you up. Thank you guys so much.
It's legit hot.
Shout out to Mr. Sean Rowland. He sent us a very long and very nice email. We want to thank you so much, Sean. We love you as much as you love us. It's because of folks like you that we enjoy what we do. And then shout out to my boy Josh Tahan with True Craft Barbecue. He sent us some T-shirts. Josh is a barbecuer on the side and then product developer in real life. So thank you to Josh Tahan. You the best. Y'all give him a follow. Also thank you to Rita's Barbecue. Sent us some T-shirts to fit everybody
You
here at
guys
the
are
office.
too much. Too kind. Too kind.
We're getting all kinds of Christmas gifts. Again, we got a bunch of thank you letters. Thank you guys. We couldn't, tell everyone thank you, but thank you guys so much for all the love that you're giving us. Josh also sent us some beer, and he saw me struggling with toothpicks every week, so he sent me a little cool toothpick holder. Josh is a classy gentleman. But just to get to the food, what you guys all care about and want to look at, I did a whole raw ham. I cured it for 9 days.
What was in the brine?
The brine is going to be on the internet later on Facebook. That was a Chef Greg special. Chef Greg hooked all of that up. Thank you so much, Chef Greg, because I would never have been able to do it by myself. I would never have tried. But Chef Greg held my hand and walked me through the whole process.
That cat's amazing.
Yeah, no, he's got every. Yeah, he's legit. He's got every moniker on the end of his name, longer than a doctor. So we definitely shout out to Chef Greg. He's the best. But we have a 9-day cured ham. We cooked it to an internal of 150 degrees. It rose to 155. Chef Greg said not to get it to 165 because it would tend to dry it out. So we were at 155. I pulled it off. We glazed it with honey. Okay, let's see this.
Snowing in South Louisiana.
Hey, so we're going to have a contest real quick for Instagram and Facebook. We're going to send a secret Santa gift for both of you guys. The first person to answer correctly, they'll say your name out loud. The first year that we sold our very first REC TEC. Guess the very first year. First person that says it in the comments on Instagram and Facebook, we will send this out to you. Don't say it until both of them get a correct answer. Like nudge each other.
On Charlie.
You got one? And you got
On
one?
Charlie.
Yeah.
Matt doesn't have it yet.
Ooh, look at that ham.
There it is, Craig Power.
All right.
Well, yeah, you got an extra 0 in there, man, but I know what you meant.
All right. Craig Power and who?
On Charlie.
It was 2011 was the answer. Call us at 855-696-0890. Ask for Connor, and he will get you squared away and get this shipped out to you today. Thanks Instagram, thanks Facebook for taking it. We're gonna. Hey, can we give Ron the honors and let him do a little slicing? Get in here, Ron. Yeah. Before we start slicing, let's talk about Academy. Guys, amazing Christmas gift. REC TEC Academy, May 3rd through 6th. Is that right on the date?
Yes, sir.
May 3rd through 6th. 20 hours of on-hands barbecue school. We're going to do competition pork, chicken, ribs, and brisket. But we're also going to do a bunch of great recipes other than that. And then we're also going to have 2 concerts, all open bar, a meet and greet. It's going to be an all-day event, an awesome weekend. We have it's camper friendly. We're going to have a Budweiser, thanks to our sponsor, we have a Budweiser tractor trailer there. We're also going to have Smithfield and Snake River Farms is going to be there as well. And once you register, it's $9.98. That includes tax for the barbecue REC TEC Academy. Once you register, you'll get some information packets. You'll get a coupon code for 5 hotels that are nearby, and you'll also get the information for the camper area, which is right at the Academy, which is at Lady A Pavilion, and that's $25 a night. So check this out. You can go on our site and find out about it. It's going to be a big time. We're breaking the Guinness World Book of Records. Largest barbecue school ever, and I'd love to see you there. It's an unbelievable Christmas gift. And then we've got some stocking stuffers. I know you want to see the food, but we've got these tumblers that make a great stocking stuffer. We've got the Turvis cups, and we've got the amazing REC TEC instant read thermometer called the Bullpen. So check those out at rectechgrills.com, and you guys have a REC TEC Christmas and live the REC TEC lifestyle. Let's check out the food.
Hit it up,
Cut it.
Slice it wherever you want to.
Man, I don't know where to begin.
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly, right there.
Jody,
I want this
Chef
piece
Greg
right here.
said that looks good.
Thank you, Chef.
Oh, look at that.
Let's start.
But we cured this for 9 days. It was from raw. This is not a honey baked ham. This is not already cooked. We did not just heat this up. This was from raw.
That's pretty good.
That's legit.
I shouldn't be doing this, eating it while I'm talking, right? Talking while I'm eating.
No, that's what we always do.
It's the REC TEC lifestyle, man.
All right. Try that, Jody.
Yes, please.
That's really good. Nice job. Is it really? All right. That's good
Tell us
ham.
about the casserole.
Freaking tastes like ham. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was scared to do this.
Wow.
Didn't want to ruin a 20-pound piece of meat. It was super
Amazing.
easy. The grill did, besides the cure, the grill did absolutely all the work, hands down. All right, so we'll talk about first these carrots all the way over to your right. These are just baby carrots. Okay, we put them in the RT 680 at 425 degrees for about an hour, 15 minutes, an hour and a half, so they were getting kind of soft. I mixed a whole cup of brown sugar with a half a cup of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of ginger. Okay. After we cooked the carrots, rolled them, tossed them in that mixture. We put them back in the grill for about 15 minutes, let them heat up. They're good to go. It's like candied carrots. Okay, these are a paleo special to all of you folks out there on that paleo diet. These are Brussel Sprouts mixed with bacon. Yeah, absolutely. What I did was we chopped up an onion and bacon. We pretty much cooked those together with just a little bit of oil. We got a lot of oil from that bacon. We tossed in some carrots and Brussels sprouts, cooked them on the RT 680 at 400 degrees for about an hour, hour and a half, until we started seeing a little bit of brown on those Brussels sprouts. Those are awesome. This is hash brown casserole. I cooked this one right here specifically in the bullseye. Bullseye held 400 degrees for 55 minutes like I wanted it to. Essentially, this was 2 bags of thawed, already cut up hash browns. We mixed in, it was a 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 2 cups of sour cream, a half a cup of butter, and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Mixed that all together, threw it in there. Then we topped it with cornflakes with about a half a cup of butter. That was about 4 cups of cornflakes. Freaking awesome. Okay? And then, of course, very health conscious. This specifically.
Let me show. So you can see what it looks like there. I'll take a taste of that. Potatoes, cheese, he sold me. Cornflakes.
Yeah.
Seasons with Ben's heifer dust as well.
Hot, good though.
That's on point.
Sweet.
Very good.
Excellent.
Sweet, sweet.
That's a good meal right there, Jody.
Right. This is a decent holiday meal for any family of 8 to 12. A 20-pound ham will, traditionally feed about 40 people. Minus the bones, you're looking at about 12 to 15 pounds of meat. Usually most people eat about a half a pound per serving. So, just double that, about 24 people would feed.
Hey, do us a favor and tell your friends to like us on Facebook. We got this cool new counter that's in real time in our showroom, and we love staring at it. It flips in real time all day. So get us some likes, and you want to show that counter? If you like us, well, you already like us. We love it. And so tell your friends about us.
You can get one.
And check out RECTECGrills.com. Check out REC TEC Academy.
Check us out on Monday.
I'm going to double dip with my fork.
We're going to start doing, we're going to have, like Funday Fridays. We're also going to start doing Mondays as well. So guys, check us out on Monday. We've got a lot of cool things to show you.
I'm here.
Monday? We're going to start a new thing.
Oh, we got this, the 12 days of REC.
Yep. We got 12 days of REC starting December 13th. We're going to be doing giveaway 12 days leading up to Christmas, including Christmas Day. So what we're going to do is we're going to have you like a picture that we post on Facebook. You're going to have to share that picture. You're going to have to tag 3 friends in that to be qualified into entering in the 12 rays of Christmas.
12 rays. Very clever.
Get it? Very clever. See what they did there. And seasonings, greetings. Don't forget about the new seasons on RECTECGrills.com. Yeah, we got the Christmas party coming tonight. We don't want to take too much time. We've got a lot of folks that need help out here. But we're going to go ahead and cut everything up. We're going to enjoy our lunch. Guys, once again, thank you so much. We are humbled every day by your phone calls, your notes, your emails, and the mail that you send us. And it's absolutely ridiculous. We have the best fans. There's absolutely no one out there No other company has the fans and customers that we have. We wouldn't be here without you guys. We absolutely love you. If you need anything, call us here at the office or visit rectechgrills.com. And I'm going to let Ray and Ron
We love you guys.
send us out.
Have a safe weekend and Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we had a tremendous year, and we owe it all to you. Thank you so much, and we'll send you guys some cool pictures from the Christmas party tonight. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See you at the REC TEC.
And a ham. Mm.
Is it good?
That thing
That's very
looks
good.
spectacular.
Oh my God, it's so good too.
The color though for the picture in the video.